Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. If you have a Symbian Annabelle phone and if you have forgotten its lock code and you don't know what to do, or if your phone is not starting up for any reason and it's stuck during the startup, then today I'm going to show you how you can come across this problem. But please remember that during this process you lose your data. So if you have important data in your phone, then please don't attempt this procedure. This procedure is totally free. You don't need to spend any money or go to a shop to get back the lock code. So let's begin. This hack should work on all Symbian 3, Symbian Anna and Symbian Belle devices. This procedure involves resetting your phone and you'll all lose all data on the phone, so please make a backup first. The phone that I'll be using for this demo is a Nokia 701. This is a Symbian Belle device. To hard reset the phone, we'll power on the phone with these three keys pressed. The menu key in the center of the phone on the front, the camera button on the right bottom side, the third button is the volume down button on the right side. Press all these keys together and then power on the phone using the power button on the top. Okay, now let's start the hard reset process. Make sure that the battery is full. If you are done with the data backup, then switch off the phone. Okay, now place a finger on the power button, the menu button, the volume down button, and the camera button. Now accept the power button, press all these three keys together and keep them pressed. Adjust yourself so that you are comfortable pressing them. Now with those three keys pressed, press on the power button and release the power button when the phone vibrates. Don't release the other three keys yet. The menu, camera and volume down button is still pressed and the phone is turning on. Okay, now you can release the three keys as well. Okay, our phone has been reset. You can set the country and date and time, etc. now. Thank you so much for watching this video and please don't forget to subscribe and like.